Super excited to be here today at Mallala Australian Super Trucks. They've installed our AI OOGI cameras in all the trucks. They've got forward-facing, driver-facing and rear-facing cameras. Let's see what they can do.
This round we've got new front and rear OOGI WHG cameras. So yeah, they're really looking after us. The lap times have been coming down using the data. They do an amazing job on showing us where we can improve.
So we did have a little bit of touching down at the corner there, so we were able to look at the footage supplied to us by the OOGI cams, and the quality was really impressive. We were surprised at how well we could actually see everything and how helpful it makes it for us, making our jobs a lot easier to decide, when there is a dispute, we can say here it is from every angle and then make a decision based on that.
This weekend we've got the new OOGI cameras in the truck. They're in the front, the rear, and also in the cab. So it's really good. It's bringing some terrific footage, and it's all live in-time action. OOGI analyses about 160 data points, just with lap times, predicting corners, where we should be braking, cornering, just making it completely better overall.